In a world craving balance between technology and nature, Moss Lab introduces a new marvel, the Moss Echo. Moss, an ancient plant dating back 450 million years, now partners with cutting-edge tech to create a cleaner, healthier environment inside your home or workspace. The Moss Echo is powered by light pole technology, where the LED illumination runs from the root to the tip of the moss, enhancing photosynthesis and giving the plant a vibrant, rich color while naturally improving indoor air quality. Wind-lashed trails and soaked boots don't mean discomfort anymore. The Hedgehog Go changes the way adventurers stay dry. At just 12.3 ounces, this compact powerhouse tucks easily into any backpack, delivering pro-level drying performance wherever you are. With a blistering 105,000 RPM motor and a punchy 700 watts of output, this dual-use dryer blasts warm, focused air through your hair in under 3 minutes and restores soaked hiking boots in just 12. VelaFlame is redefining ambient lighting with its smart, flameless candlelight technology. This cutting-edge light bulb captures the essence of traditional candlelight, offering a flickering effect that mimics a real flame while ensuring safety and energy efficiency. Designed for versatility, VelaFlame allows you to adjust the light's color to match any mood, from a soft, warm glow to a vibrant burst of color. Its built-in Wi-Fi capability seamlessly integrates into your smart home, giving you full control from anywhere. Plug in and unlock a dynamic layer of productivity with a streamlined one-cable secondary screen designed for precision and flexibility. Measuring just under 7 inches diagonally, this compact device enhances your workflow whether you're monitoring stocks, tracking news, or staying on top of real-time trends. It integrates seamlessly into any desk setup, using a single USB-C connection for both power and data transfer. The Streamplify Hub Deck 5 is designed to enhance your workspace with both functionality and style. This USB hub offers 5 ports, each equipped with individual power-off buttons, allowing you to control each connection effortlessly. The LED indicators provide clear visibility of which devices are active, so you stay organized and in control. Customization is key, and with 7 swappable keycaps, you can easily adapt the hub to reflect your personal style. The Sigmund Laser Level. Self-leveling is designed to provide precision and reliability, offering a powerful tool for both professional and DIY construction projects. Featuring 12 ultra-bright laser lines, this level provides 360-degree full alignment, ideal for a range of tasks such as tiling, framing, and interior design. With a Safety Class 2 rating and a less than 1 milliwatt power output, it ensures both accuracy and safety. The HandBoost C1, true wireless ultrasonic cutter for DIY makers, combines precision and versatility in one compact, powerful tool. Featuring ultrasonic technology, it operates at 40,000 vibrations per minute, allowing for clean cuts through various materials. This high-frequency cutter provides true wireless convenience, enabling you to work without the restrictions of cords, making it ideal for mobile or on-the-go tasks. No more huffing and puffing over steaming bowls or scorching sips. This tiny companion handles the cooling for you. Nekojita Fufu brings precision and charm to every meal with a whisper of technology. Slide it onto the rim of your cup or let it perch on your plate's edge, and within 3 minutes, your food or drink cools down to a comfortable temperature. Tested with 158 degrees Fahrenheit water, it performs like a breeze, literally. Its kitten-like paws grip dishware from 0.08 to 0.23 inches thick, adapting easily to mugs, bowls, and even ramen cups. The DJI Flycart 30 redefines what's possible in logistics with its powerful flight capabilities and innovative design. Engineered for demanding tasks, this drone combines heavy payload capacity, long-distance travel, and smart technology for the ultimate aerial transport solution. Whether you need to lift heavy goods or traverse challenging environments, the Flycart 30 is ready. With a 66 pounds maximum payload, it delivers impressive performance, reaching up to 17 miles of flight distance without payload and 10 miles with full payload. The Insta360X5 is an advanced 360-degree action camera designed for high-performance shooting in extreme conditions. Engineered for durability, it features an 8K resolution, offering stunning clarity and vibrant detail in every shot. Whether capturing action-packed scenes or scenic landscapes, its waterproof design ensures reliability in wet environments, making it perfect for water sports or outdoor adventures. Equipped with a rugged, replaceable lens, the Insta360X5 provides added protection and flexibility for users. The Eve Paint Cam security system offers a cutting-edge approach to enhancing both safety and security. Featuring real-time face recognition, it ensures immediate identification of individuals, whether you're monitoring your home, business, or any sensitive area. The system's sophisticated algorithms provide quick, accurate assessments, ensuring that only authorized personnel are allowed access. In addition to the face recognition, the system includes a unique paintball marking feature. Wherever you set up camp or tailgate, reliable support and smart organization make the difference. Kangaroo Porter delivers exactly that, combining mobility, storage, and a stable table surface into one efficient solution. Built to withstand the elements, it features a weather-resistant hard top that supports up to 75 pounds. The aluminum frame is strong yet lightweight, weighing just 18 pounds for easy transport. Its dual 9.5-gallon storage bins provide ample space to keep food, tools, or supplies protected and organized. When immersion matters and split-second response determines victory, the GameSir X2S wireless controller rises to the challenge. Built with precision engineering and refined ergonomics, the X2S transforms your smartphone into a pro-grade handheld console. From long RPG sessions to competitive shooters, this controller gives you the edge with tactile feedback, low-latency wireless, and deep customization. In a world where precision meets style, the Revolution R180S steps forward as the ultimate two-slice smart toaster. Designed with a vibrant full-color touchscreen, this powerhouse offers 6 preset bread algorithms, handling everything from artisan breads to frozen bagels with remarkable accuracy. Its brushed stainless steel body doesn't just elevate your kitchen style, it speaks to a refined taste for high-performance appliances. Elevate your outdoor comfort with the Sitbacks bleacher seat, designed to make every event more enjoyable. Whether you're cheering from the bleachers or relaxing at a concert, this seat offers premium cushioning and back support to alleviate pressure during long periods of sitting. The high-density foam padding ensures lasting comfort, while the ergonomic design reduces fatigue, allowing you to stay focused on the action. Weighing only 12.5 pounds, the Sitbacks is incredibly lightweight and easy to transport. Drift into undisturbed sleep with the device engineered not just for comfort, but for intelligent support. This sleep innovation integrates real-time snore-stopping technology, gently responding to disturbances before they escalate, promoting smoother breathing patterns throughout the night. It doesn't just react, it listens, adapts, and adjusts. The adjustable height system allows fine-tuned customization for spinal alignment, supporting your neck whether you sleep on your back or side. Elevate your experience with the Razer Pro Click V2, a mouse designed to merge comfort with performance. Engineered for those long work or gaming hours, its vertical design promotes a natural handshake posture, reducing strain on your wrist. The Razer Pro Click V2 doesn't stop at performance. With 18 zones of chroma RGB lighting, it delivers vibrant, personalized lighting that reacts in real time to your gaming. Choose from 16.8 million colors to set the perfect tone for your setup. When it comes to cutting through cardboard, Boxblade is in a league of its own. Designed for both precision and power, this tool transforms the task of slicing through tough cardboard into an effortless experience. Equipped with a high-torque motor, it delivers rapid vibrations that ensure each cut is smooth and accurate. The dual rechargeable batteries provide lasting power, enabling Box Blade to tackle even the thickest boxes without slowing down. Built for steep streets and long rides, the InMotion Climber redefines the electric scooter experience with a dual 750-watt motor system that generates a combined peak of 1,500-watt power. This robust setup propels the climber to speeds up to 23.6 miles per hour, even when facing demanding inclines and heavy riders up to 286 pounds. Its hill climbing capabilities are backed by an advanced torque system and independent dual-wheel drive that grips the pavement confidently. In a world where robotics must adapt seamlessly to human-centered environments, the Unitree G1 steps forward, not as a tool, but as a collaborative agent engineered for real-world engagement. Built with precision mechanics and expandable intelligence, this humanoid robot balances dexterity and agility with refined motion control, all within a compact yet powerful frame. No more bulky pockets or disorganized essentials. This refined system redefines what an everyday carry card holder should be. Crafted for precision and built with function in mind, the VMAG modular combination card holder system gives you control over how you carry, access, and use your daily tools. Whether you're navigating a busy workday or heading out for a weekend mission, this card holder adapts to your pace and needs. Forged for environments too treacherous for traditional machines, the Lynx M20 fuses wheeled agility with legged precision to navigate where others fail. This next-generation mobile robot redefines terrestrial mobility, bridging the gap between speed and dexterity. On smooth surfaces, it glides on wheels at speeds up to 11.2 miles per hour. When terrain turns hostile, rubble, stairs, wetland, or steep slopes, the M20 locks its wheels and switches to a walking gait. When your gaming laptop begins to radiate heat like a furnace mid-match, you need cooling that's more than decorative. Enter the Yano Phi 12 RGB laptop cooling pad. This is a precision-engineered platform built to handle the heat of 15.6-inch to 21-inch laptops with zero compromise. Instead of relying on noisy fans or inconsistent airflow, the V12 deploys a powerful turbofan system that pulls in cool air fast and flushes out hot air even faster. The Glazer Mini offers a transformative experience in the world of ice games, creating an immersive and competitive environment like no other. This innovative device from Ori Future brings a fresh approach to ice gaming, making it accessible and exciting for players of all levels. The compact size of the Glazer Mini makes it highly portable, allowing for quick setup and hassle-free play, whether you're at home or on the go. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, it enhances gameplay by introducing precise controls and dynamic features that challenge even the most experienced players. The StylePi U Cable Pro offers seamless performance with up to 1 terabyte of TF expansion, transforming your device into a powerhouse of storage. Featuring a blazing fast 40 gigabits per second transfer rate through USB 4.0, it ensures data flows smoothly between devices, whether you're working on high-definition media or large files. With Power Delivery 3.1 support, it delivers up to 240 watts of power, easily meeting the energy demands of modern laptops and devices. Precision, elegance, and immersion meet in the most personal way possible. The Breg Zone 1 earbuds are not just audio devices. They are wearable acoustic instruments tailored to your anatomy. Forget generic fits and compromised fidelity. These earbuds are engineered from the inside out, beginning with a high-resolution scan of your ears to create a perfectly contoured shell. Within this custom shell lies a finely tuned balanced armature driver, delivering studio-grade clarity directly into your ear canal. In fields where precision matters, whether inspecting jewelry, capturing insect anatomy, or framing petals mid-bloom, every detail counts. The Apexel Zoom Macro Lens transforms your smartphone into a high-performance macro camera, bridging casual photography with professional-grade results. Featuring the industry's first zoomable macro lens, this tool allows seamless magnification from 10 to 20 times with a simple twist of the focus ring. Want the entire spider in frame? Use 10 times. Need the claw hairs in crisp focus? Zoom in to 20 times. It's more than choice, it's creative control. A steady back means a sharper mind. The Ergear Ego. C3 ergonomic office chair doesn't just support your posture, it actively adapts to it. Designed for long hours at the desk, this chair uses pressure-responsive lumbar technology that pivots and flexes with your every move. Tailored comfort comes from the height-adjustable backrest. With a 2.56-inch vertical range, this ergonomic upgrade ensures proper alignment for users of varying heights. A workday doesn't need to feel static. This L-shaped standing desk lets you move, adjust, and optimize your environment. Designed for both flexibility and durability, this dual-motor standing desk is crafted with a strong steel frame and aerospace-grade connectors, maintaining rock-solid stability even after 100,000 lift cycles. Whether you're deep in focus or multitasking between screens, it stands firm, literally. The top surface spans a generous 63 inches by 55 inches, providing plenty of room for multiple monitors, documents, and devices. No countertop multi-tools perform quite like Chopping Bot. This one-of-a-kind 5-in-1 smart cutting board blends cutting-edge precision with smart design. Weigh ingredients directly on the board thanks to the integrated digital scale, powered by a long-lasting battery. Touch-sensitive buttons make operation intuitive, while the built-in timer ensures every meal stays on track. Sharpen knives mid-prep with the onboard sharpener, then chop and slice confidently across the dual surface board. Upgrade your ride effortlessly with Scarper, the revolutionary electric conversion system that transforms your regular road bike into an e-bike. Designed for cyclists who want to enjoy the benefits of electric power without sacrificing the feel of their beloved bike, Scarper offers seamless integration, delivering power when needed and leaving you in control when you want to pedal freely. With its sleek, click-on system, Scarper ensures a lightweight, high-performance experience without the bulk of traditional e-bikes or complex conversion kits. The Atari TWO 6000 Plus brings a fresh twist to the classic gaming experience, offering an upgraded version of the original Atari TWO 6000. This modernized console is compatible with both Atari TWO 6000 and 7800 cartridges, expanding the gaming library for fans of retro titles. Featuring HDMI output, it seamlessly connects to modern TVs, providing crisp visuals, while the widescreen mode enhances gameplay on larger screens. Raw performance meets refined mobility in the all-new ROG XG Mobile.